Today I'm going to start from explore the universe. I'm just going to fact about the universe. Can a star turn into planet? Can a star turn into planet? Yes, the star can turn into planet. Those kind of planet we can call this as a brown dwarf. The brown dwarf is the intermediate between the planet and the stars. What keeps the sun spinning? What keeps the sun spinning? It is one of the phenomena is behind on it. That is a conservation of angular momentum. Conservation of angular momentum. The body spins. The body actually the body will spin unless to apply the torque. Torque is a science kind of thing which is act on the axis to make the object rotate. So such a way the planets, the sun spinning. So in the sun, sun how it's made up of? So mainly hydrogen and helium gases are present on it. When the gases is pulling towards the gravity, it started to rotate itself. So next, what are the three things faster than light? Do you know what is the speed of light? What is the speed of light? 3 multiple 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay. So most of the things do not overcome the speed of light. Only the three things are exceptional. The one is the expansion of the universe. Expansion of the universe. Do you know our universe is continuously expansion. It is the theories about. There are many theories about the universe. One of the main theories, Big Bang theory, then pulsating theory. Here we are just thinking about the pulsating theory. The pulsating theory, just to imagine the rubber band. When you are taking the rubber band, you are stretching like this. It just still we can stretch it. When it's reaching the extreme limit, thereafter we cannot able to stretch out. So already our universe is almost expanded. Now what is going on? Started to contract each other. So universe expansion is one of the things it can cross speed of the light. So over the speed of the light. The next is quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement is one of the very complicated theories. When scientist Albert Einstein, is a very famous scientist, he had also the confusion about the quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement is the current theory. What quantum entanglement says, when the universe is formed, by the Big Bang theory. So we all came from the unified particles. The unified particles are simply interconnecting each other, no matter how distance is this. But even though still they are connecting each other. We are the cosmos particles. We are the very small particles. In the universe the countless particles are present. Even all the particles are interconnecting each other. It's very complicated theory. The next class I will clearly explain you about that. So simply just to understand what is meant by quantum, it is a very extreme low level energy. The particles are coordinating each other. A very extreme low energy. The low level, after that there is no low level. Such a state, the particles are interconnecting each other. So one of the very famous theory, around the many countries are just trying to get development, particularly China, focusing more in quantum theory, quantum mechanics. But India is still developing in quantum mechanics, quantum theory. So next, is zero gravity is possible on Earth? Yes, zero gravity is possible on Earth. But how it is possible? When an object takes parabolic curve, which means the U-shaped curve. When an object just to take the parabolic curve, definitely you can feel the zero gravity. The zero gravity is possible. The condition is that object can take the parabolic curve. Parabolic, simply just keep this in your mind. It's a U-shaped part, U-shaped face. So next, why is there is no gravity in space? Why there is no gravity in space? Before to know about the gravity is most important vital force in the universe. Particularly in the planet, each and every planet, sir, gravity is one of the most important things. Before to know about the gravity, we must know about the Newton's universal law of gravitation. What universal law of gravitation says? In the universe, just imagine that in the universe, each and every objects are attract each other. So each and every particle, just before I told about quantum entanglement. In the universe, each and every objects are attract each other. If the object is attracting each other, something has to act on it. The something is called force. In the universe, each and every object attract each other by the force. Because of the force, it is attracting each other. For example, you take a magnet, you take some iron fillings. If you keep the iron filling close to the magnet, it will be attracted. Like this, in the universe, each and every objects are attracting each other by the force. That force also has some dimensions. The force is directly proportional to product of the masses. For example, if you want to know about the gravity of the mass and the Venus, mass and the Earth, so we have to multiply the mass and mass of the Earth. M1 is called as the mass of the moon, sorry, mass of the mass. Then another M2 is the mass of the Earth. The both we can multiply this, we will get the force. At the same time, the force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the two particles. That is also most of the important. So we have to square the distance. We have to square the distance. This is also almost equal to the force. This is the way we have to find out the gravitation, universal gravitation. Each and every planet has some unique gravity. Each and every planet has unique gravity. So how the gravity is, why the space is, now I come to the point, why space has no gravity. The no gravity is absolutely wrong answer. Gravity is there, but very little amount of gravity is there. But how do we say that zero gravity? But gravity is there, but very little amount of gravity is present in the universe. The gravity is produced by the sun, Earth. There are the asteroids, meteorites. These are produce the gravity. So the particles are connecting each other. It can produce the gravity. So the gravity is there, but it is very little amount of gravity is present in the universe. So thank you so much. I hope you all understand the today concept. Please follow this.